Hey guys, Purple Kitty AJ here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my friend.
Hi.
And by the way, I don't have a clue where she is in the game. Where are you?
Chocolate chip.
You spelled that wrong.
I don't care. Choc latte.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Click on someone to team up. Where the heck are you?
Oh, right, wrong person. Where are you?
No, stop moving. I see you. Ha! With my raccoon.
Man, if I flip this model,
We're on a team.
I want to be a little.
If you didn't get a partner, you'll be going solo. We do not go solo.
Are we partners?
Yeah. I sent you a duo request. House Leader competition begins soon. You know what's funny?
Huh?
My username has summer in it, and it's summer. What does that mean? Stay above the clouds for as long as you can, okay? Clouds can disappear and become hazardous.
My name is Brown because it was supposed to.
If you fall off or lose all your health, you'll be out.
I'm actually scared for this one, actually.
Last one standing will win.
This is scary, my anxiety attack.
I get anxiety. I'm just singing the song, man.
Cheese nuggets.
Cheese.
Cheese nugget.
Cheese!
Cheese nugget. Cheese.
Oh god. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese nugget.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, that scared me so bad though, bro. Actually scared me. Like actually. Oh wait.
Oh god.
Oh hell. Oh.
Ah!
Holy
Chicken nugget. Oh, I died.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't die. Thank God though.
Well, this gives me time to plug in my phone.
There's still a lot of people here. This is the longest I ever made.
What?
I'm so scared.
No, we have fun with being scared.
Oh!
Did you win?
No.
Did you die?
I'm about to. Oh! Stay down here. Oh, heck no. Oh, there's only 2 people left, which is me and this girl. Girl, die. Please
Well,
die.
you should win.
Oh. This is scary. No!
You didn't. What? You didn't.
I don't care. Good job. I was a good job.
Okay, stop typing in chat.
Good job.
In your head, you're just going crazy, aren't you?
GG. Thank you too. Oh, no problem.
Okay, shush. I'm just gonna sit down at the table.
Shut up, Frenchie's fry. You're ugly, okay? You're not a fry. You're not a potato. I mean, you look like a potato, but shut up.
What?
Frenchiest fry. You did better. Shut up.
Alright, nobody cares.
Exactly.
I'm just sitting at a table. 3, 2, 1.
I must say hola.
Oh my god, they moved my spot.
Man, I'm a freak. Small little Amy the queen. The Kylie.
Let's see who's first. Vinny. And Suga. Wait. So if they're a team, they both get evicted together?
Yes.
Oh! So then it's a good thing that neither of us got picked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit on the table. I'm going outside. Are you outside? I'm going outside. I'm going for a swim. Are you going for a swim?
Yep, I'm going for a sweetie.
Oh. Never mind.
I love this one. I need a paper for this. Are you in this one?
No.
Get a paper. Then write it down so I can get the answers right and win.
I got a paper and pen.
Frosting, sugar. Lotion, sugar. I got it right. Okay. Are you writing this down too?
Yeah.
Butter, salt, sugar. Oh no. What was the first ingredient? Butter. Sugar. S. Dough. Sugar. Butter. Dough. Butter. What's ingredient was shown more than 2 times? Was it dough or butter? Dough. Yes! Butter. Frosting, sugar, dough, butter, sugar. What was it? What was the second ingredient?
It didn't show me.
Huh? None? I didn't answer. So it's fine. Fuck you. That's what you do. Wait, did I win? Oh, did I win?
You out. I was actually just eating frosting before.
I'm mad.
Cause I'm really freaking out, just can't let you go. I can't
Brianna, are we friends?
Yes.
Just kidding.
I was like, that's one weird question.
Hi guys, are we still recording? Yeah.
We are indeed.
I needed a paper for this, guys, because, I'm bad at this.
I forgot we were recording.
Same.
Mainly because I'm not used to recording. Suga?
Who won?
Suga.
Suga won.
One of the girls that got evicted. What'd you say?
If we become the next nominee, I'm gonna be so mad.
Yep.
Really mad. Really.
Welcome to the safety ceremony.
You.
As a winner of the safety competition, I had the power to save a nominee.
I'm sorry.
I've
I'm
decided
not.
to save my duo.
Well, that's a good thing. I'm just like too.
Since one of the nominees was saved, I must now choose another nominee.
No.
Is it to include?
Yeah.
My name is just Cookie.
It was random. I didn't choose you.
Yeah, nobody cares.
I don't.
Welcome everyone to the eviction vote.
We're sitting on each other. What is this game?
Everyone will be evicted. Let's get rid of the cookies.
Get rid of the cookies?
The cookies, people.
Okay.
Time to vote.
You are.
Save.
Save. Oh! What?
I'm okay with this. Because it's not us.
Sorry.
Yeah. I'm gonna fail again. And remember, human, I can only record for 15 minutes.
Only for 15 minutes?
I'm at 13. I normally end at 14-ish.
Yes, I love this one!
Watch your step. Stay on the wall as long as you can,
I won this like 18 million times.
while the platforms move in and out. The last one standing will win. It better be you.
Oh, okay.
We're on the wall. I win this?
Yes, I'm in this. It's me next, right? Yeah, watch. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell. I'm so scared.
I'm already down. So,
You are?
yeah, I fell down.
Oh.
Because, you know, me
It's
being
gonna.
me.
Right?
I'm just jumping back and forth.
Scared. I'm really scared right now.
I'm probably gonna murder myself.
Holy shit. No!
Ah!
I didn't even move. I moved though.
Woo!
Sadness.
Oh, I died.
Tom, are you serious? Who won? Good job.
I don't think anybody won.